Hello everyone, Teacher Jonas here, and today we're gonna review what we have learned so far. Okay, so first we're gonna review about body parts. Now, not any body parts, but body parts of animals. Okay, let's get to it. This is a human body. You already know the name of most of these body parts. You know about eye, you know about head, you know about ear. You probably know about all of them. But that's not what we are here to learn, right? But let's review it anyway. So we all have a big head. Now our head, we have two eyes. See? Two eyes. We have one nose. We have two ears. See? Two ears. We have a mouth, right? We have a mouth. We have two arms. We have two hands. These are our hands. We have two legs. See? One leg, two legs. We have two knees, one on each leg, and we have 1 foot here and 1 foot here. So we have 2 feet. Okay, so now the special body parts. Now these are the body parts that animals also have. For example, head. Now a lot of animals have head. Actually, almost all of them. Look at here. Monkey has a head. Dog, cat, even octopus has head. But when it comes to arms, not all of them have arms. Monkey has arms, right? But tiger, these are not arms. These are called legs. Legs. Now monkey has legs too. Dogs, cats, you see, these are called legs. Elephant has legs as well. Okay, so let's see what... Ooh. Tail. Tail. Now, as I told you before, tail is used for many things. Marine animals use it to swim. Monkey uses his tail to hang on trees. Birds use their tail to fly. Dog uses their tail to show that, hey, I love you, I love you. So we have many different uses for tail. But remember, me, you, humans, we don't have tail. Okay, let's see. Wing. Wing. Now, wing is something that not only birds, insects also have wings. I mean, bat is not a bird. It's a mammal, but it also has wings, right? Now, look at here. Dragonfly has 4 wings. Butterfly also has 4 wings. But guys, wings doesn't mean you can fly. Look at here, penguin has wings too, but they cannot fly. Ostrich has big, beautiful wings, but it cannot fly. Okay, so let's... Shell. As I told you, shell is a very hard part of the body. We don't have shell, but look at here. Turtle and tortoise have a big shell. Snail. Oh, armadillo is covered with shell all over its body, and it's very strong. And we have all these animals that have shell. Next is horn. We don't have horn, but look at here. Giraffe has horn. Rhino has horns. What else? Buffalo, goat, and even a deer or reindeer, they also have horn. Next is fin. Fin is something special for marine animals. Marine animals are fish, dolphin, whale, shark. You see, they all have fin. But don't confuse fin with tail. You see, this is not fin. This is tail, okay? See, this is a tail. This is a tail. But these are fin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and one on the other side. So 5 fins. Okay. Now let's look at the body parts of this. What do we see? We see 1, 2, 3 fins, 1 tail, 1 head. Yes, we are right. Good job. Now, what body parts do we see? What is this, guys? This is tail. What is this? Wing. What is this? Legs, right? And what is this? Yes, you are correct. Let's see what's this. Oh, what is this big hard thing? This is shell. Very good. What is this angry face? This is a head, right? What are these? These are legs. And what is this tiny mighty thing? Tail. Very good. Good job. Oh, what is this? Tail. What is this? Head. I don't see anything else. That's it. Oh, what are these beautiful things? Horns. Very good. What is this? Head. What are these four things? Legs. And what is this? Tail. Very. See, you're correct. Good job. Okay, now that you're pro about body parts of animals, let's talk about parts of a plant. Plants come in all different sizes, shapes, colors. See, all of these are called plants, right? If you go outside, you can see multiple of them. You can see a palm tree, you can see a tree, you can see bush, you can see grass, you can see mushrooms, you can see flowers. You see, there are so many different types of plants. They have the same body parts. But listen, plants need three things. One is sunlight from the sun. Now, this sunlight helps the plant get energy. And then we need water. We need water for the plant to stay alive and have energy again. And soil is very important because it's just like food for them. They get all the stuff they need from the soil and they bring it up to the plant. Now let's see the body parts. So we have roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruit, seed. Now let's get to each one of them. First we have roots. Roots take in water and food from the soil. You see, they take it all and bring it to the plant. It's just like a hand. So that is roots. It's in the soil, okay? Sometimes it comes out of the soil like this one. Next is the stem. The stem is the main body of a plant like this one. It carries food and water to different parts, okay? So you see, roots take the food and give it to stem, and stem gives it to leaves, it gives it to fruits, flowers, and other parts. Next we have leaf or leaves. Leaf means only one. Leaves means all of them together, okay? More than one. Now, leaf make food from sunlight. You see, I told you, plants need sunlight. When the sunlight hits them, the leaf is like a factory. It makes food and energy for the plant. We have flowers. Look at this beautiful flower. Ooh, look at these flowers. Flowers make seeds. Now, I think you remember what seeds are. Seeds are baby plants. But before that, let's get to fruits. Now, flowers like this one turn into fruits, and later on, the fruits become ripe, and you can find seeds in them. You see, these are called seeds. But we call this a fruit. I love fruits. They're so yummy, like durian, like apple, like orange. Now we talk about seeds. Seeds are baby plant. You see, all plants have seeds, like these ones, like avocado has a big seed. These seeds are just like baby plants. So one more time, repeat after me. Roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruit, and seed. Great job. To the next topic, which is movements. Now let's review movement. Movement is when you move from one place to another, right? Look at here. This person goes from one place to another. See, this is one place and this is another place. He like goes to the other place. This is what we call move. Right now, my hand is moving from here to here. Move. Different movements have names. Like this one, we call it walk. Walk. Look at here. This girl is walking. These penguins are walking. Walk is this. You can use your fingers to show. Walk. Is run. It's just like walking, but faster. Like this. Look at cheetah. Cheetah can run the fastest in the world. You can run too, just like this. Some birds can run like an ostrich. Next we have jump. Just like this, like boom. See, the movement that you go up and you come down. Only one time. We call it jump. Fish, some marine animals can jump. Look at this orca. The orca can jump too. And this cat, wow, such a nice jump. These kids are also jumping. Hop. It's just like jump, but not only once, but over and over and over and over. Like a kangaroo. Look at this kangaroo. It's hopping. Or this frog is hopping. This girl is hopping. Oh, this man is hopping too. But be careful. Don't hop in the streets like this guy. Look at this cute bird also hopping. Boom, 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 boom. So this is hop. Next is fly. I cannot fly, but I love flying. Look at here. Birds can fly. Insects like, look at here, bee, butterfly, ladybug, even bats can fly. Guys, there are some fish that can fly as well. Alright, so this is fly. Next is swim. I love swimming, but I'm not a good swimmer. Can you swim? You should. See, humans can also swim. Marine animals can swim, but not only them, other animals can swim. A horse can swim. Even a lion can swim. Some of the best swimmers are birds. Look at birds. They're famous for flying, but they can also swim really well. Next is climb. Climb is when you go up on something. Look at this panda going up on a tree, or this bear. Oh, look at this sloth going up on a bamboo tree very slowly, or this monkey. So this is called climb. You and I can climb too. Okay. So these were the movements. Now let's talk about living things and non-living things. Super, right? If something have life, have shiwit, we say it's a living thing. For example, I have life. So I am a living thing. Now, if something don't have life, we call it a non-living thing. Guys, it's not living thing. It's non-living thing. For example, my phone is a non-living thing because it doesn't have life, right? Okay. Living things need food, water, and air. It means animals need food, water, and air. Plants need food, water, and air. And humans, we also need food, water, and air. It's very important to living things. Now, living things can be humans like us. It can be animals. It can be tiny animals, or very big animals like a blue whale, okay? Or plants. Plants are also living things. So a flower you see outside, it's also a living thing. Now, let's look at here. Does it need food? Yes. Does it need water? Yes. Does it need air? Yes. So this plant has life. So it's a living thing. Let's see the next one. Does this teddy bear need food, water, or air? No. So it's a non-living thing. Very good. Now, what about this ladybug? It's so small. It's a tiny animal, but it still needs food, water, and air. And it has life. So this tiny mighty thing is also a living thing. Now, let's see this one. It's a rock. Now, this rock, does it need food? No. Does it need water? No. Does it need air? No. So it doesn't have life. So it's a non-living thing. Great job. Okay. So let's get to the last topic we learned about. Habitats. Now habitats are very fun, right? Habitat is where animals and plants live. For example, desert is a habitat. Ocean is a habitat. But repeat after me, okay? Desert, ocean, forests, wetland, very good, savanna, polar. Great job, guys. So let's see what each one of them is and what animals live in there. So this habitat is called a desert. In desert, it's very hot and dry. So animals like camel, scorpion, snake, vulture, these animals live in the desert. Now guys, some of these animals live in other habitats. For example, a snake can live in other places too. A vulture can live in other places too. So this is desert. Great job. Next is ocean. Now, ocean is also very cool. It's filled with water. We have fish, whale, shark, jellyfish, and many more marine animals living in the ocean. Next is forest. Forest is filled with trees and grass and sometimes even lakes. We find animals like bear, monkey, fox, owl in forest. Now remember guys, these animals can be found in other habitats too. Okay, let's go to the next one. Wetland. Okay, in wetland, it's filled with water, trees, and grass. It's usually next to a forest or maybe a savanna. So a wetland has alligator, it has beaver, it has frog, it has dragonfly. Now, wetland has so many different types of animals. I don't want to go in a wetland because it has alligator. I'm scared. All right, so this is wetland. All right, let's see the next one. Savanna. Savanna. Savanna has trees, but they are far from each other. It has grass, lots of grass, and it's very hot. So you can find these animals in savanna. Lion, giraffe, elephant, zebra. Now again, you can find these animals in other habitats like elephant. In Thailand, you don't have savanna. You have forest. And you have elephant in the forest. All right, the next one. Polar. Oh, polar is very cold. So not any animal can live there. In polar, like North Pole, we can find polar bear. In South Pole, we can find penguin. We can find seal, these cute little animals, but they're not little, they're very big. We can find reindeer. These are the animals we can find in polar. Okay, so these are the habitats we learned. So tell me, what habitat is this? This is polar. Very good. Yeah, we are correct. What habitat is this? Ooh, rhino, lion. Wow, this is, you guessed it right, this is savanna. Great job. What habitat is this one? Super easy. This is ocean. What's this one? This is a forest. Guys, look at here. We have a beaver. See, wetland is not the only place with beavers, right? You see, this place, maybe it's a wetland, but this place is called a forest. Yes, we are correct. Good job. What habitat is this one? It's very hot. This is a desert. Good job. And which habitat is this? This is a wetland. See, we have beaver here. Woo! So, again, these are the habitats that we have. Don't forget to do your project if you haven't done, okay? All right, until next time, Teacher Jonas out. Bye-bye, everyone. See you.